Alright, so hi guys, and welcome back to the web development Fentech training. Alright, so this is where we stopped last time. We have our checkbox, we have our email, first name, last name, password, and then we also have our confirm password. If you notice, this was all wrote in our P element, right? And this was the H2. Now, in that side, let's say I decide to use H1. Alright, H1, H1. So now, as you can see, the sign up has increased. All right. So I think I prefer this H1 much better than the H2. So I'm going to leave it at this. All right. So after our checkbox, what we're meant to have is, we always have I accept the terms and condition. We always have to click that checkbox by force, by fire. If not, we are not going to go anywhere. And it's going to be just right beside this checkbox. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a label for. So now for this kind of thing, we're not going to have an input type. It's going to be a label for. All right. So what we do is we come here, we open, and we'll be like label for. Then we're going to put terms. Let's use the word terms, and then let's close that. Then inside will be like I accept. I accept the terms and conditions. All right, so let's see what happens. All right, so we see there I accept the terms and conditions. All right, so now back to our code. Next thing we're going to have is we're going to have a button. There's always a button for like sign up. You understand? So now finally sign up. That's after we're done putting all this information down. Exactly. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a button type. So this time around, it is not an input type and it's not label for. We're going to have a button type and we're going to leave it at submit. Then we're going to have sign up. That's the text that should be the button. Alright. And then after that, let's move this up a bit. Okay, so let's see where that brings us. Oh, my sign up button is so cute. Alright, so this is it over here. Remember, we still have this, and we have this, but it's not going to work, now. We don't have anything here. See, I press sign up. Oh. I press sign up, but because I've not filled anything, it's now showing me please fill out this field. Alright, excuse me. Sorry for that short break. Okay, so where were we? Okay, yeah, so I clicked the sign up and it's telling me please fill out this field. So that means if I don't fill out anything, if I don't fill out anything, it's not going to go anywhere. And that is where we had our required. Where is it? Yes. Required, required. Everything is required. It has to be required, okay? Great. So now, after our submit button, we are meant to have like a login link. From sign up, be like already have an account, login. You get out since my hand. So what we do is we're going to have a P. Now normally we usually have a P element, but I want to make it a P class. Why I'm making it a P class is so that I can style it. You understand? If I add a class name, I'll be able to get that class name. Let's say for example now, I'm going to make this P class name to be login link. Okay? And then I'm going to close it. So now if I'm to style it, I'll just copy this and be like login link and then write whatever colors I need on the login link and everything. So what I'll have is already have an account. Alright, then after this we're meant to have now this is what we use for if you want to put a link. Alright, you open this, you open this here, and then you open this, and then you close this. This is the ARGF, so we're meant to have an equals to here. That's why it's more, you understand here. Even though it's going to show red. Now, if I don't have the link immediately, what I do is I make it hashtag. Just put hashtag since you don't have the link already. Then we're going to put log in here. Alright, great. So now we have all this. So now let's see what we have. Alright, so see login here. Now if you click on it, if you look bottom left, you're going to see index HTML hashtag. You understand? So don't worry, in our next training, we're going to link this sign up page with our login page. So we're going to have another login page. We're going to teach you guys how to create a login page. Alright, so for now, it's going to show hashtag, which means it's not going to like lead anywhere. If you press it, nothing is going to happen. Alright, so I'm going to stop here for today and see you guys in the next class.